Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Draftkings to PayPal. And it's really easy and simple, guys. What you're going to do is first click on your profile icon right here, click on withdraw. Okay, you'll see your balance right here as well. You want to enter the amount you want to withdraw here, enter the amount, and then you want to choose the option. For example, you want the PayPal option, you can click on PayPal, and then you can request the withdrawal for the amount you want to withdraw, and then you want to go ahead and confirm and click on withdraw funds. And of course, you can check out the status right here and whether the withdrawal has gone through. So if the withdrawal has gone through, guys, you will see that the withdrawal process has actually started, and you want to wait a little bit of time for it to arrive. PayPal withdrawals usually take at least 2 business days. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. But to do this, you need to at least have a verified personal PayPal account that matches with your associated DraftKings account information. So the full name, it has to be the same. Has to be the same name, guys. And you cannot use a PayPal business account for deposit or withdrawal on DraftKings. And you need to note that, guys, the withdrawal amount cannot exceed $60,000, and it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.